All right, guys, good morning. We're going to be working on math lesson 13-4 today. We're going to be working on math lesson 13-4 today. After lunch, we have ELD at 12 and then history and science at 12:45. You guys are going to be working on unit 4, lesson 1. And then you have your art, health, social, emotional learning activity. You can click on the blue link to watch the video. And then you read any book you would like for 20 minutes. Make sure you guys get all your work done, okay? We're going to click on math. We're going to watch our video. We're going to do our reteaching, and then we're going to do our digital quick check. Here we go, $1.
Look at the money. What money is shown here?
We have dollars, a dollar coin, a quarter, and 2 dimes.
There are 2 $1 bills, $1 coin, 1 quarter, and 2 dimes. What is the value of $1 bill and $1 coin? Each one is worth 100 cents. What is the value of 1 quarter? A quarter is worth 25 cents. What is the value of 1 dime? A dime is worth 10 cents. How much money is this? Let's think about it. Start by counting the bills. $1, $2. Look at the dollar sign and the number 2. How do you say this money amount? You say $2. You can see that the dollar amount and the word dollar are not said in the order they are written. Then count the coins from the greatest to the least value. Write the dollar sign each time. Write the decimal point each time. Let's continue counting. $3, $3.25, $3.35, $3.45. When you read this, you said the word "and" to separate the dollars from the cents. Now you know how to use the value of bills and coins to count them.
All right, what we're going to do right now is we are going to work on that reteaching. So let's go ahead and do that now. So get out your book, get out your math book. We're working on topic 13, lesson 4, reteaching. Okay, how much money? Start counting with the dollar bill. Then count the coins from the greatest to least value. Write numbers to show the counting order. Okay, so start counting with the dollar bill, then count from the greatest to the least. So the dollar is has the biggest value, then the quarter, then the dime, then the penny. Okay, so then you're going to put them in order. So you're going to put the dollar first, then the quarter, which is 25 cents, then the dime, which is 10 cents, and then the penny, which is 1 cent. Now, one way that you can do this is you guys can just count on. So we have $1 plus 25 cents would be $1.25 plus a dime. You would add 10 cents to 25, so $1.35. And then you would add a penny, which is 1 more cent, $1.36. You guys can also do touch math. So we say $1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. And that's how we got to $1.36. So whichever way you find easier is how you're going to count your money. Let's move on to questions 1 and 2. Here we have $1, and then here we have $2. Next, we have our quarter, and then next we have our nickel. All right, so let's go ahead and count this out. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 for a nickel. This is worth $1. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then a dime is worth 10. So let's go ahead and count this out. So we have $1, $2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This would be worth $2.25. So $2.25. That decimal point, we're going to use the word and then 25, 30. So $2.30. So our total amount is $2.30. Let's go ahead and do the next one. We have $1. This next one is another dollar coin. So now we have $2. From here, we're going to count on. We know that if we're adding 25 cents, we're just going to say 25. $2.25. And then now we have to add that dime. And if we add that dime, then we need to add 10 more cents. So 25 cents plus 10 cents would be 35 cents. You should be writing this in your book. Let's find the total amount. So we have $1, $2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So our total amount is $2.35. Aaron, I see you typing in the chat, but I don't see you working on this. I need to see you on task. Thank you. All right, let me know that you answered both questions 1 and 2 by putting done in the chat. Let me know that you've answered questions 1 and 2 by putting done in the chat. Thank you, Ava. Thank you, Eva. Thank you, Danica. Thank you, Maylee. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Juels. Thank you. Oh, Nicholas, I don't know what that means. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. What? Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put you guys into breakout rooms. Now, the last couple of times, you guys have been really off task in your breakout rooms. So this is what I need you guys to do today. You are going to have a breakout room leader. My breakout room leaders are going to be Sierra and Ava. So the breakout room leaders are going to call on you guys. Okay. You guys, if they can, you guys can, so Sierra and Ava, you guys can either call on people like by their names, or you can have people volunteer, but you guys are going to say, okay, how much money, count on to find the total amount. Okay. Sarah, how much money is this one? Okay. Now how much money is this one? Okay. Everybody write that down. Okay. Russell, how much, what is the value of a quarter? Okay, good. 25 cents. Okay, good. Danica, what is the value of a nickel? Okay, 5 cents. Very good. Now, what's 25 plus 5, Eknor? 30 cents? Okay, good job, Eknor. So what is our total, Jason? $2.30. Okay, good job, Jason. So Ava and Sierra, that's what I want you guys to do. I want you to call on people, and then people are going to have to unmute and participate. Okay, if the person doesn't know, let's say you call on Billy. Okay, Billy, what's the total amount? And Billy says, I don't know, or Billy's not responding. Then you guys can say, okay, can someone help Billy out? Can someone help Billy out? And then, you know, Angelica can say, oh, I'll help Billy out. The answer is $2.35. Okay, good job. Thank you, Angelica, for helping Billy. So I want you guys to stay on task. If I join your breakout room and you guys are off task, then that is not okay and you will lose a dojo point. I need you guys to be working together in your breakout rooms.
Mrs. Park.
Okay, so I know that some people were having issues with their books. If you do not have your math book, you should. I know all of you guys received it. This was the one book I needed you guys all to get since there wasn't an easy way for you guys to annotate it on screen.
I have it.
Very good. So I do need you guys to make sure that you have your books. If you don't have your books, then maybe you need to print it out or you need to get a separate sheet of paper. I know some of you guys were saying that you weren't able to see my screen. If you weren't able to see my screen, then you need to log.
Miss Park.
Okay, if you aren't able to see my screen when you're in breakout rooms, then you need to open it up. You guys all know how to get to Savvis. What do? You go to Google Classroom, click on the waffle, click on Gmail. Once you get to your Gmail account, click on the waffle again, scroll down and get to Savvis EasyBridge. It's the same place you go when you take your math and your social studies tests. Okay, we're gonna go over these answers together in class right now. And then after this, we are going to work on you're going to work on your digital quick check. So here we have $2 plus the dollar coin, which would be $3, plus 2 quarters. If you don't know how to count the quarters, you can do your touch math. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So then your total would be $3.50. Now, this is a dollar coin. However, this is a 50-cent coin. It's actually bigger than a dollar coin. And then you'll know because a dollar coin either will have George Washington's picture or a girl, a female on there. This one has a picture of a person who's looking sideways. Okay. Then we have a quarter, which is going to be 5 dots for 25 cents. And then we have a
What
pen.
time are we gonna be done for the day?
We still have math right now, and then we're going to come back at 12:45 for social studies. Here we have another dollar coin, We have a dime, which is worth 10 cents, so 2 dots, and then a nickel, which is worth 5 cents, which is 1 dot. All right, so here we've got a dollar. So everybody in your book or if you don't have your book, then write it on a separate sheet of paper. Get out a piece of paper, get out your notebook, get out a journal. I need you guys to get your books. If you left them somewhere, go get them. You need to pick them up. Okay. Now this is a $50. A $50 is worth 50 cents. So go ahead and write 150. Write it. If you don't have your books, write it on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, next we have our quarter. So if you don't know what 50 plus 25 is, let's count on 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we counted on and we got to $1 and let's put that decimal point, 75 cents. And then the last one is a penny and it has a line straight across because we just add 1 cent to it. So it's $1.76. And that is going to be our total. $1, $1.50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. So our total is $1.76. Write that down on a piece of paper. Next, we have 2 $1 coins. So you're going to write $2. And then we have just a dime, which is worth 10 cents. And then we have a nickel. So you're going to add 5 more cents. So it would be $2.15. If we're using touch math, we would say $1, $2, 5, 10, 15. So it would be $2.15. All right, number 4, algebra. Abby needs $5 to go to the movie. She has the money shown at the right in her purse. How much money does she need to make $5? Abby needs $5 to go to the movie. She has the movie money shown at the right in her purse. How much money does she need to make $5? So she has $1, $2, $3 bills. So she has $3 plus, so I'm going to write 3 here. She has 4 quarters. Now we know that 4 quarters equals $1, but if you're not sure, you can do your touch math. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So 100 cents is equal to $1. So we have 3 $1 bills, and then we have 4 quarters, which is also equal to $1. So she has a total of $4. Now, how much money does she need to watch the movie? She needs $5. So what is she missing? Does she need a dollar coin, a $50, 2 quarters, which is worth 50 cents, or 3 dimes, which is worth 30 cents? What does she need? How much more money does she need? She has $3 bills and then $1 in quarters. So she has $4. She needs $5 to watch the movie. So what does she need to add to make sure that she has enough money to watch the movie? Is it me? I see you guys unmuting, but I don't hear anything. Put it in the chat. $1 coin. Very good. A. She's going to need the dollar coin. Very good. Because $4 plus another dollar coin would be $5 total. All right. You guys now are going to do your digital quick check on your own, because I want to see how well you guys understood today's math lesson. So what you guys are going to do is
I still need time on that one.
okay, so what I did, so I did exit out already. So what I will do is I recorded this meeting, Matthew. So what you can do is later on, I'll show you where you can go to watch the video again so you can finish the problems that you need, okay?
All I needed is 2.
Okay, so we'll work on that in a little bit. So,
All right.
all right, what we're gonna do now is we are going to work on our digital quick check. We are going to work on our digital quick check. Okay, also, I'm gonna change our schedule around a little bit today. Okay, so what we're actually gonna do is we're going to do your science lesson at 12 o'clock, okay? We're gonna do your science lesson at 12 o'clock because I do have to run to the district office before my teacher meeting. So we're gonna do our digital quick check at 12 o'clock. I'm sorry, our science lesson at 12 o'clock. And then we're gonna do you'll do your ELD time at 12:45. So you'll do read theory at 12:45. You click on this link to get to your read theory website, log into read theory and work on your comprehension. So at 12 o'clock, we are gonna do science. So can you guys tell me what time are we gonna do science today? What time are we gonna do science today? Put it in the chat.
12.
What time do you need to log back into Zoom to do science today?
12 o'clock.
Very good. All right, so let's work on our digital quick check now. What I need
Park, isn't that tomorrow?
tomorrow is your science. Tomorrow you're gonna do math science.
Yeah, but you said today we're going to do science.
Sorry, today, oh no, tomorrow we're doing math science. Today we're doing our science, like our regular science.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Angelica should be in class with us, so I'm gonna exit out of her YouTube.
Mrs. Park.
Okay, so I need you guys all to log in. I see Dimitri already logging in. I need to see you guys logging into math to take our math. So go to Google Classroom, Matthew. Matthew, go to Google Classroom right now. Perfect.
Alright.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the waffle. Click on your waffle. I'm coloring it blue for you. Okay, now click on Gmail. Oh, actually you have it. Perfect. So you see down there where it says Savvis Easy Bridge? It's the one I clicked purple for you. Click on that. Yes, we're coming back at 12 o'clock
Miss
for our
Park,
science lesson. Yes.
Are we doing our digital quick check now?
Yes, you are. You're gonna take your digital quick check right now. And then once you're done, tell me your score in the chat and then you'll be free to go. I will see you guys at what time? Not 12:30, Eknor. What time are we gonna do science today?
12.
12. Okay, cool. You gotta go back. I know you just have to wait for it to load, Matt.
When we're done with this, are we done for the day?
No, we have science at 12 o'clock today.
Miss Park,
Yes.
So
why is the other
we-
ones? Why is the other kid's name? Why is the other kid like having trouble with his thing?
I don't know.
Because actually he's getting like more.
Okay, so Matthew, you need to click where it says, okay, there we go. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on my work, the pencil, click on the pencil. And then you're gonna click get started and you're gonna take that digital quick check right now. And click on it again, click on the blue box. And then go ahead and take your test. All right, once you guys take your digital quick check, you guys are free to go. I'll see you guys at 12 o'clock, so right after lunch.
Miss Park, can me, Ava, and Danica stay in the break?